Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad ke Sangma ulabu ya Mawnongrim na ke Bynta ke Greater Tura Urban Water Supply Scheme ha District Auditorium ha Tura hinexngi. Ha kani kesngi lawan banishim Bynta da shibun ki he officer. Haba ajingkren ha kani kesngi usangma ula banjur halor kani ke project kabla up kami linti kabalongkum ka jingpo sniu na do usnam arjar saw bala kermen ru ban pendep yaka ha usnam arja arpunyo. Ula batai ru ya ka jingtmu ha kalawai na ka Bynta ka Tura ka bakentup ya ka baljek umyam flight bat ka Tura IT Park haringkat bat ka Bynta ka baar jong ka jingpen itenat bat jingpen biang ya ki jingshai boarding ha ki surok.
Given us this responsibility to lead them, to take the state forward, and we want to assure you that when we are able to move forward like this, when we get support from the people, we are more determined to work even harder to ensure that more and more changes can come through. Today I want to congratulate all the beneficiaries of the tourist vehicle and all the other vehicles you're getting. This is again another example of how inclusive growth is taking place. It is not about just the big contracts we are doing, but every small person, wherever possible, entrepreneurs, youth, farmers, women, we are ensuring that we are there to support you and give you full support from our side. So the people who have got the tourist vehicles, I urge you, please use them in a constructive manner.
Ya ka final electoral role